Topps Chrome Jumbo break 32.92. We are full. Good luck. Dice roll. We're going 5 times. Teams first. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 here, 5 here. Mariners up top. The Reds at the bottom. Five times now on your names. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 here, 5 here. Brett Carmen up top. Mario Martinez at the bottom. Let's sort them out. Mariners at the top. They didn't sort. Everybody else did. There's your squads, guys. Here we go. Chrome Jumbo Bird. Good luck. Good luck, guys. Good luck. Chrome Jumbo Early Bird. Here we go. Again, take your spots, guys. 3-box mixer on the site. There's 14 left in that break. Bowman's Best You 2-boxer. 32.72. Has only 9 left. All these breaks hit the screen tonight. Take your spots on the site. Take your spots on the site. Pack 1. Riley Green on the Rook. Alex Bregman. Logan O'Hoppe. Nice auto there for the Angels. Angels going to Joe Holloway. There you go, Joe. Shane McClanahan. Refractor. Velasquez. Gabriel Moreno, rookie. Miguel Vargas. Cade Cavalli, Garrett Mitchell, Julio, Future Stars. Hunter Green, Hyper, Shea Langeliers on the Refractor Rook. Jordan Walker on the rookie for the Cardinals. Kyle Stowers, Cabrera, Tovar. Hyper Miggy and a Nick Prato Refractor. Got Green to 99 coming up. Logan O'Hoppe on the rookie. Jack Peterson for the Giants to 99. 67 out of 99 to be exact. Giants going to Craig Nixon. Titans Bo Bichette Refractor. Gunner for the Orioles on the Refractor. Orioles going to Josh Cox. Nice hit there, Josh. Okay, guys, take your squads on the site. 3-box mixer has 14 left. Take your spots, take your spots. Miguel Cabrera Refractor. Stone Garrett for the Nationals on the Refractor ink to 4.99. Going to Craig Nixon. There you go, Craig. Ezekiel Duran on the Refractor rookie for the Rangers. On to Josh Cox. Herrera, Josh Young for the Rangers. Garcia, Bryce Harper, Technicolor. Josh Bell and a Tristan Casas Refractor. Bell just got traded today. Corbin Carroll on the Rook. DL Hall. George Springer Refractor. Oscar on the Hyper and a Charlie Blackmon. Oscar on the Hyper for Cleveland. Cody Clemens, Alec Thomas, Future Stars. Mike Trout, Titans. And Robbie Ray on the Refractor. Got purple coming up. Michael Massey on the Rook. Nolan Gorman refractor for the Cardinals. Oscar on the auto to 299 for Cleveland. Going to David Harris. There you go, David. 287 out of 299 on the Oscar Gonzalez. The Yadi Molina refractor for the Cardinals. Good luck. 3 boxes left. Masataka on the rookie for the Red Sox. Ruiz on the rookie. James Outman on the rookie. Lots of good rookies in this year's product. Joey Meneses, Bo Naylor. James Outman Gold Wave to 50. Massive hit for the Dodgers. Going to Mario Martinez. There you go, Mario. That's a big card, brother. 25 out of 50, James Outman. It's a big card for the Dodgers. Going to Mario. Mackenzie Gore Hyper and Seiya Suzuki on the refractor. 2 packs left. Good luck. Got Sosa. Gunner on the rook. DJ LeMahieu, Kyle Tucker, Hyper, Julio, and a Hunter Brown rookie. Last pack, Magic, good luck. Again, take your spots. 3-box mixer on the site, guys. Adley Rutschman on the rook. 3-box mixer on the site, Michael Harris. There's 14 left in that break. Yelich, Jimenez, Bo Naylor. Technicolor for Cleveland, Clayton Kershaw, and a Zach Wheeler to finish it off. Quick recap. We got Oscar to 299. Duran refractor, Stone Garrett to 499. Gunner, Peterson to 99. Logan O'Hop, and Outman to 50 on the Gold Wave. That's the break, guys. Thanks for the fill.